We're back. Alright. So I don't see anything wrong with the bore. There's the big nick right there in the piston. We're at bottom dead center right now. A little bit of scuffing in there, but nothing real serious. Pretty good. High pressure cylinder over here. This is a little rougher. It's almost like it's got rust residue in it. Put a little light on there so I can see better. Yeah. It looks alright. That one there got tangled up in there pretty good. That's the only one I really care about, is that one right there. Alright. So it looks like we're going to have to get another reed kit. Probably wouldn't hurt to pop this thing apart. There's a new set of rings in it. So there's the reed plate. That's a separate part. There's a place we can pop on it. Alright, that's going to take 2 hands to do that. Alright, just a manifold, all that is. This is where all the... This is basically like a cylinder head on a motor. This controls everything. You can see how there's an O-ring sitting in there. Part of an O-ring. So I think this thing has been leaking for a little while. See, that's a complete O-ring sitting there. It hasn't been very efficient for a while. It's a lot of pumping for little airflow, I think. Makes everything work harder. Yeah, I think this O-ring came out of here. I think the screw backed off here, and that let the plate start flopping up and down, and finally it broke. See, it broke right through here. And with the seal not being very good, there's another O-ring that went all the way through here. With the seal being really bad, the efficiency dropped way off. It's taken a lot longer to pump up than it used to, so finally broke all the way. So I figured there was something going on, I wasn't sure what. Now the electric motor, on the other hand, it gets really, really hot. It's got issues too, so it's not like there's any other issues going on with this motor. This thing's really hot up in here, and it shouldn't be that hot. So what I should do is take this electric motor out of here too and take it apart and take a look at it while I'm in here this deep. And this turns nice and free. Feel nothing weird going on with the rod. There's just a simple rod down in here and a crank. So it wouldn't hurt to pull this thing all the way down. New pump, 97. We put it in at 2,200 hours. We're at 3,169 now. So the original pump lasted 2,000 hours. This one's got 1,169 hours on it. So it's already half through the life of the other motor. And like I said, this is the second reed. The first reed broke within 6 months. So this was the second one I purchased for it. Alright, well, we're going to have to figure out what this pump actually is. Be nice if there was some kind of a number on it. It's not original to this air compressor, so here's what I'm looking for right down there. It's another plate way below that plate. Alright. Take a picture of that. Don't know what that one down there says. Blow it up. Take a picture of it and I'll come back later and look at it because I can't see what it is right now. Like I said, this is the other motor up here, was this one, so take another shot of that too. What the hell? Light don't want to go off. There it goes. The light sometimes screws with your picture taking. Okay. Now I need to know what size bore this thing has. We just happen to have a measuring device right here. Looks like about 4.5 inches to me. Let's get the small one first. Alright, this thing's in my way. .496, 2.5, 2.5 inches. This one's bigger. I was off. It's 4 3/4 inches. .752, 2 thou over. 4 3/4 inches. Nice big bore. Alright, so I'm going to go hunt down some parts. Let's see. Alright. I got 150 pounds in there. 160 pounds, but that'll be down to about 40. It'll be down to 60 to 40 pounds tomorrow it leaks. So we'll have no more air. Oh well, fun, fun, fun. That's why I bought over the little air compressor. And ever since I moved and took that valve off, the whole thing leaks a lot more than it used to. That's why I got this air compressor here. That I've been tripping over for a couple months now. Because that's going to be the air for the shop. Well, we fixed the big one. Alright, well there you go. I'm going to go hunt some parts out. Try to find me a rig kit, rig plate kit. I'll let you know if I find one. It's a Dayton pump, so hopefully it's still available. Alright, that's it for now.